zéro, un, or une. This also is similar to our indefinite article, right? To specify quantity. Une fille or une pomme, un garçon. Okay, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Something that we know is 21. So there is a 21, there is also 21. Okay. So if, for example, they'll take an example, and that similar thing is for 31, 41, and all of those things. Okay. For example, you see they have added this extra o. So it depends on the gender of the quantity you are describing using 31. Okay. For example, if you want to say there are 31 girls, you will use 31. If you say there are 31 boys, you will say 31 garçons. So for example, il y a 21 femmes dans ce service. There are 21 women in this department. Is it clear? It depends on the gender because it's un and une. This problem does not arise with deux, trois, quatre, cinq because they are same. French speakers tend to read telephone numbers in tens, like in the pair of two. This is handy because in TEF Canada speaking test, in the first section, you might have to confirm a telephone number. So you will be given an advertisement, and that advertisement will have a phone number. You have to call. You have to basically pretend that you are calling that number. I used to basically start the conversation by confirming if the number is correct or if I reach the correct number. So I used to read it out. It's not mandatory, but that was my style. And since you are my students, maybe it will be your style. The whole number is 10 digit like the mobile numbers in India, but you break it down into pair of two and you read it like 08, 13, 76, then 89, then 98, and that's it. Again, same thing, 101, 101. Whenever there's a now, you have to consider the possibility of in. Now we know this when we have this only 200, we have this S, otherwise, just like Rohit explained, otherwise we don't have an S. The 101, as I said, as soon as we have another quantity after 200, we drop the S, right? Il y a 100 centimes, centime is cents, yeah, dans un euro. Something interesting, il doit y avoir plus de 200 personnes. It means more than 200 people. There must be more than 200 people there. So, something that I used to get wrong when I was a student, I had this fixation in my mind that anything which has to do with comparison is que. So, basically, whenever you do comparison, you use que, and that usually means than. Okay. So, I used to use it like plus que, more than. Il y a plus que de whatever, 200 personnes, blah. But it's not plus que, it's plus de. Plus go is de, plus de. So it's plus de personnes. Elle emploie directement plus de Canadiens. Nos spécialistes ont neutralisé plus de 400 explosifs. Mil does not take a S in plural, we know that, right? So it's the mil, 100 mil, there's no S. Whenever you use expression of quantity with preposition the, something you must observe is you have plural of the noun after that. The milliard de, and the noun which you are quantifying is in plural. The milliard de livres. Virgule, we have seen, comma, 0,5, 0.5, and they don't use point, they use comma for decimal point. You guys remember this?
Oui.
Okay. Percent, remember there's a space, pourcent. Okay. Yeah, again, see this expression of quantity. 1 kilo de pomme. Now this is in plural. 200 gram, 200 gram de. अब beyond को तुम plural नहीं कर सकते because it's unquantifiable. So we have the beyond ashit. The thing is, if you have the non-quantifiable nouns, you don't add the plural. Milk, petrol, these are unquantifiable nouns. So you don't, even if there's an expression of quantity, you don't add plural like beyond.
Oui. Oui.
Temperature, how to say temperature? Like weather, we use faire to say temperature. Il fait 30 degrés, like 30 degrees. Ordinal numbers, we learned that. Première has two versions, masculine, feminine. Premier and première. Premier, première. We already saw the time. Just one small thing. When the time is actually 1 o'clock, when you ask like quelle heure est-il, you say il est une heure, but don't add the extra s because this is it's 1 hour. Apart from that, you always have this plural. Il est une heure. तो यहाँ पे s नहीं है. बाकी apart from une, everywhere you will have the extra s because it's 6 hours plural. Il est 6 heures. Okay. This is one more thing I wanted to draw your attention. This is pile, which means precisely. Okay. So at noon precisely. So you can add this as an adjective.